Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching Transport Lecture, Class 10th Geography. In the last video lecture, we have learned about roadways. Now it's turn to discuss here rail transport. As you know that Bharat is the network of railways, rail network, and you know that it is the second largest passenger carrier train rail transport in the world. So we are going to discuss all the things about this transport facility. My dear students, rail transport in Bharat, passengers in 2014, we have 1,158.7 billions. And when it's come to talking about freight, it is 106 million tons. And the total travel length is 68,525 kilometers. In Bharat, railways are owned by the central government. As you know that it is suitable for the bulky goods, it is economical for traveling long distance. There is a regularity in the operation of train, and this is less pollution because there are so many area, almost all the area, train operates on electricity. There is uniformity in the rates as the rates are fixed by the government. Guys, look at some history of railway. As you know that first Indian railway line was opened in 16th of April 1853. And as you know that the first train consisting one steam engine and four coaches traversed the stretch of 21 miles between Bombay, Bombay to Thane, that means Mumbai to Thane. And in 2014, we are crossing 150 years. So railways serving nation 150 years, since 150 years. This is the network of Bharatiya Railway. Okay, look at this. And the speed of the train in Bharat, three types of train is running in this time. One is Shatabdi, another Rajdhani, and other is others. Shatabdi maximum speed 140 kilometer per hour, Rajdhani 130 kilometer per hour, and other train 110 kilometer per hour. Look at this gauge. You know that what is gauge? Gauge means maximum distance between the running faces of the two rails. A permanent ways is called gauge. So there are five types of gauze. One is broad gauze, standard gauze, meter gauze, narrow gauze, and light gauze. Broad gauze BG is 1676 mm and a standard gauze 1435 mm. Meter gauze 1000 mm. As you know that 1000 mm is 1 meter. So narrow gauge is 762 mm and the light gauge is 610 mm. This is all about the gauze. Look at this. You quite often than not see all the things. This is Bharatiya Railway Network. There are 9 zones in Indian Railway. Now, the another way of communication, transportation is pipeline transport. Actually, in this pipeline transport, there are no people transporting from this part of these sorts of transport. Only petroleum products, natural gases. That means liquid and gases can be transported through this pipeline. So in Bharat, there is a Assam to Kanpur imported network, Salaya to Jalandhar, and Hazira to Jagdishpur, UP. Well, look at this. This is the crude oil area from here to here. This is the part of Assam, and here in Bihar we have Barauni refinery. In Kanpur here, Saharanpur, Lucknow, and here Jalandhar, Bhatinda, Panipat, Ambala, here Kandala, like that. That means it is also good network of pipeline in Bharat in this age, in the modern age. Now, water transport. Water transport is the very, you can say, oldest and the cheapest methods of transport. India is surrounded, as you know, that Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. So therefore, there is a very long coastal plain area, and there is so many ports in Bharat. Two types of one natural and another is artificial. With the help of these means, goods passengers are carried to the different place, both within as well as outside country. So water transport plays an important role in the international trade. It possesses high load carrying capacity. It relatively economical mode of transport, as I told earlier. And water transport doesn't require special infrastructure like roadways and airport. So if you have water, you can easily run through it. Sea transport requires large investment on ship and their maintenance. We have inland water transport also. So India has inland navigation water, 14,500 kilometer length. And out of these, 5,685 kilometer are navigable by the mechanized vessel. Okay, about 50 million tons of the cargo corresponding to 2.82 billion tons kilometer in 2005 and 6 in the inland water transport. Considering the inherent advantage of this mode, the government of the India is trying to develop the means of transport. This is NW1, National Waterways 1, from Allahabad to Haldia. This is Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly rivers, 1620 kilometer. National Waterways 2, Sadia Durbi Brahmaputra rivers, and NW3 Kollam Kozhikode Stretch West Coast Canal, and the Champkara Udyog Mandal canals, and National Waterways 4 specify the stretch of the Godavari and Krishna rivers along with the Kakinda Puducherry stretch of the canal, 1078 km. And National Waterways 5 specify the stretch of the river Brahmani along the Mathai River delta channels of Mahanadi and the Brahmani rivers and east coast of the coast canal, 588 km. So this is inland waterways. This is all about the inland waterways. Look at this map. NH1, NW1, NW2, NW3, 4, 5, and 6. 6, Barakka, 121 kilometer. It is actually in process. This is not open this time. Overseas water transport. India has wide coastline line of a near 7,516.6 kilometer. India is dotted within 12 major and 187 notified non-major ports. These major ports handle 95% of the foreign trade. India facilities available along this vast coastline of the country through ships called coastal ships. It is the cheapest mode of transport, and generally talking that ocean transport means movement of the ship between countries through sea routes. This is the major sea routes, seaports. Chennai ports, Madras port, you can also say. Haldia, Kolkata dock. This is Jawaharlal Nehru port, as you know, known as Navaseva, and the Kamaraja port, Kandala port, Kochi port, New Mangalore port, Marmagoa port, Mumbai port, Panji port, Paradip, Odisha, Tuticorin port, Tamil Nadu, and Visakhapatnam, we have Andhra Pradesh. So this is the port. Now airways. Air transport is recently origin in the development of the transport system. As you know that it is the fastest way of transportation, means of transportation. So in Bharat, we have transport is the fastest developing aviation sector of the world. Now you know that in Bihar, in Darbhanga, it is also domestic airways opened in a very before a few couple of days. Air transport is the most modern and the quickest mode of transport, and it is also very expensive. And the airport provides comfortable, efficient, and quick transport service. Airport is like most risky actually, but accident are greater in comparison to the other modes of transport. It plays significant role of national defense country. This is the major airport, Indira Gandhi Airport, Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal, International Airport, Mumbai, Kemopegoda Airport, Bengaluru, Chennai International Airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Telangana, and the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, International it is, Kolkata, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat, and Pune International Airport we have in Maharashtra. This is the report of Airport Authority of India. It manages 127 airports, domestic 86, and international 11, civil and enclaves 29. Civil enclaves means the area allotted by the airport belonging to the armed force for the use of civil aircraft and civil aviation related services. Okay, this is all about. So, what is the benefits of transport? As you know that with this transport, industrial growth occurs, created employment, it is creates place utility, bring countries closer, trade is very good running, use economic resources, raises standard living, stability in price, all the things. So thank you so much. I hope it is clear, and with this we last our video, this chapter, and we are going to meet in a next video, the very fresh chapter, new chapter. Take care. Bye bye.